Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a eyeshadow look with glitter, y'all. Yes. So if you guys want to see how I achieved this beautiful purple dream queen look, then make sure y'all stay tuned. So with this tutorial, I only used two colors, y'all. So I did use the Jackie ABH palette, and I used these two purple shades that you guys see here. And let's go ahead and get started. So first, I'm just packing that shimmery shade all over my lid. I'm trying my hardest not to get it in the crease, but as you guys see, I did a little bit. Like, I'm only a human, like I done messed up, but you know, try and get it like on the lid and not in the crease area, but that's fine. Okay. So once you have that laid down, then I'm gonna go in with that dark purple shade. That shade's actually a matte, so I'm just trying to go in and make sure that the crease isn't shimmery, because when the crease is shimmery, it kind of throws everything off, girl. So make sure you get that dark purple like nice and shaded in there, is what you guys see me doing here. As you guys, I'm just still packing away, packing in that purple, because we want that crease to be as defined as possible. So I'm showing you guys here a close-up. Yeah, so yeah, that's what it'll look like. Now you guys see me, I took a bit of translucent powder and I just put that on my brush to kind of fluff out the outer corners. As you guys can see, we had a special guest there in the back. Make sure y'all stay hi to my baby Asia. Okay. This next part, let me disclosure, I don't know what I was doing. I didn't realize my camera was not recording me putting this glitter on, y'all, so I'm super like upset about it. It is so gorgeous and I was excited to wear it, too excited that I didn't get it on camera. Like, where they do that at? It's already on my lid, so I just used a bit of NYX glitter primer on my lid, and yeah, just pack that on. So it's okay if you get the glitter everywhere, because you can go in and fix it. It's what you guys see me doing now. So I'm going back in with that purple and just making sure that it's, you know, in the crease, making sure that the crease is purple and not glittery. That's the key. Make sure that the glitter blends in the crease. You guys see me tapping? I'm just tapping all that purple in the crease, and you know, getting it where it need to be at, and just take your time. And that's pretty much it with the eyes. Like, this was such a simple eye look, you guys. I just really wanted to get into that glitter, because I was really feeling it. So right now I'm just putting on mascara and stuff. I really don't know the name. I think I got this from the Dollar Tree. You know, it still work. Okay, so we done with the eyeshadow, you guys. I'm just gonna go ahead and complete my base, the rest of my face and everything. I'll just let this ride out, because you guys are here for the eyeshadow. But let me know if you guys want to see me do more detailed, you know, face and base tutorials. Let me know what you guys think about that. So yeah, that wraps it up for this video. I just let it ride out, and thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you guys have any comments, questions, concerns down in the description box. I'll try to leave all products listed down below. So yeah, as always, y'all, thanks for watching. Bye.
like Beyonce, like Trina, like a big booty.